dissipating? Is that the right word?
Huh?
Is dissipating the right word?
Yeah. Hey, Mountain, watch out behind us, man! Here.
Get in the car. Oh my god. Sorry. Whoever watches this, I'm a little crazy. Good thing I got a waterproof camera.